Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional on this Sunday. It's today Liberation Day in the Netherlands, May the 5th. In this weekend edition of Saturday Sunday, we have an additional with extra puzzles. Look. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, May the 4th and May the 5th, 2024. It's today, May the 5th. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to a YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku number 8485. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars. And for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, question is this the 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 3 or the 8. Let me start with the 8. We have 4 8s. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. We need an 8 here. And 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait here. Also the 8. How about the 3 in the last row? 3 in a row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. 3, 3. All right. 3, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the first row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 3 is supposed to be here. 3, 3. Okay. Need a 3 here. Cannot continue with the 3 now. Need to wait. How about this big square? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in the last column. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So one box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Then let me see. 6, okay. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Let me mark those. 2 boxes here, also 5 and the 6 are missing in this row. And look, we have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright. Need a 6 here. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. Need a 2 here. And I need an 8. Yeah, we have a pair. The 2 and 8 in this column. last column. The 2 and 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left, the 2 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other two missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, one box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. Alright. So we have a 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. Then, yeah. Need a 1 here. Nine. Yeah. 9, need a 9 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 4. 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. Well, that means the other two missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Well. Okay. 3, 6. Need a number here. 3, 6, and the 7 is missing here. The 7th could be here, could be there, okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 2. 8. 5. Yeah, I'm thinking. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Okay, then 9 and 5, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 5. How about the 9? Yeah, I need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. I need a 1 here. Need a 4 here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now I need a 1 here. Yep. We have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. We have all the 9s, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Okay, here we needed an 8 in this row. Well, we have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these two boxes. So only one box left for the 8 in this row should be there. So one digit left in this big square for number 2. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column 3. Middle column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, we need 2 there. In the second column, we have here 1, 2, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the second column is number 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. So the only place left the 2 in the second column should be here. So the 4 and the 7 are left, okay. Then 6 and the 3. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. Okay, so 7 and the 6 are left in this big square. 7 and 6. We have a 6 in this second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. One box left now in this second row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1 and the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Well, cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 7. We have a 2 now in the first column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 and the 4. We have a 7 now in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 and 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. Not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. Because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.